Hi there, my name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and today I'm going to be discussing a particular strategy that we use here, and it's a strategy that's called the Banker Trading Strategy. If you visited our website before, you would have heard about this strategy, and it's a strategy which involves trading cross pairings in a very specific way. Now, if you have visited our website and you've clicked on the strategies page, as so, and you scroll further down, you would have seen that the potential pips per year of this particular strategy is 1,200 pips a year. So it's a very, very lucrative strategy to use. Please be patient with me in this video because I need to explain exactly how this strategy works to you, and I'm going to show you a live example on the chart to give you a good understanding of exactly how it works. So firstly, let me take you to the charts. Now, in order for this strategy to work, firstly you need a cross pairing. So let's take the cross pairing, for example, euro-yen, beg my pardon. Now, if we take the major pairings of euro-yen, that's euro-dollar and dollar-yen. Okay, so euro-dollar and dollar-yen, and the cross pairing that you get from that is the euro-yen. Now, there's a very specific way that we trade this particular strategy on the chart. What we do is we look for the euro-dollar and the dollar-yen to be hitting the same type of zone on our algorithm at approximately the same time. So you might think, well, what does that mean? If we take a look at the chart here, you see that this chart produces buy and sell zones each and every day. Now, what we do in this scenario is we're waiting for the euro to come and hit a buy zone, or it can hit a sell zone, but in this instance it's hit a buy zone. And then what we do is we're looking for the dollar-yen to hit a buy zone at the same time. So you can see I've highlighted the areas where they've hit the zones. So the euro-dollar has hit a buy zone, just here. The dollar-yen has hit a buy zone, just here. You would actually be notified about this as well, because when a zone is hit on the system, it flashes up a notification box on the screen, and it also pings to you if you've got your speakers turned on, so you'll actually know when it hits the zone. The trade that we then take, once the euro-dollar and the dollar-yen both hit zones, is we then trade the euro-yen. And what we do is we buy euro-yen. So we can see here, I've actually again highlighted on euro-yen how that also comes into a buy zone at approximately the same time as its two parent pairings, the euro-dollar and the dollar-yen. And this is effectively how the banker trade works, is that we're looking for the parent pairings movement, the euro-dollar and the dollar-yen, to give us an indication of then to trade the cross pair. And this actual strategy has an extremely high strike rate. It's around 70 to 80% strike rate on this strategy, and that's why we call it a banker trade, because you can stick the bank on it. Okay, so in this particular instance, it hits the zone here and it rockets up in excess of 40 pips. We're not necessarily saying that you would have taken all 40 pips from the trade, but the targets that we go for in these trades are usually a minimum of at least 30 to 35 pips. So it's a fantastic type of strategy to use, and it's one that we'd recommend to any of our clients who have access to this trading system. Even if you're not a client and you're interested in this type of strategy because you're looking for a new way to trade cross pairings, because we understand cross pairings can be very difficult to trade. They're a lot more volatile than the major pairings, and they have higher spreads and commissions. So there's only certain ways that you can trade them to really make a good profit. This is definitely one of them. If you are interested in wanting to learn a little bit more about this strategy, then you can actually come onto our website and we'll show it you live on the charts. If you are interested in doing that, it's really, really simple. You go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com, and you click on the top right hand side here for free consultation, and actually brings you to the page where you can fill in your details and you can actually understand what this strategy is all about and get a good idea from the traders themselves. You can ask them directly how it is you'd be using it, what times of the day you'd be trading it, what type of stop losses and profits you'd be using. To give you a quick note on stop losses and profits, it's usually approximately around 20 pip stops, and you're looking for around 30-35 pip profits on these trades. It's a fantastic strategy. It's one that we really feel is a great strategy for anyone part-time to use as well, because the way that the system notifies you is that you can simply have your laptop on in the background. It's going to be pinging at you, and you know when the zones are actually triggering in. So we just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video. I know it's a bit more of a unique video on one specific strategy and how that works, but I wanted to show you exactly what it takes to use this strategy and the scenario behind it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we do hope you stay tuned for our other videos too. Thank you very much.